Have you ever dreamed of exploring the world? For 9-year-old Mia, that dream was about to become a reality. Her parents, both passionate travelers, decided this summer would be unforgettable. A family trip across Europe. Imagine the excitement. Their adventure began in the city of love, Paris. As night fell, Mia stood before the Eiffel Tower, her eyes wide with wonder as it lit up the sky. "It's like a giant made of stars," she whispered in awe. Her dad, with a knowing smile, told her every dream starts by looking up. "Mia, always remember that." In Paris, life was a whirlwind of delicious new experiences. They started their days with flaky, buttery croissants, spent afternoons sketching by the serene Seine River, and, of course, took tons of silly family photos at every famous landmark. Each snapshot was a memory, a little piece of their shared joy captured forever. From the bustling streets of Paris, they hopped on a train bound for Switzerland. As the scenery outside the window transformed, it felt like they were traveling through a living painting. Majestic, snow-capped mountains towered over lush green valleys dotted with charming wooden houses. It was breathtaking. They found themselves in the picturesque town of Lucerne, a place straight out of a storybook. Here, Mia and her mom decided to go on a hike. The path was steep, winding its way up the mountain, and soon Mia's little legs grew tired. She felt like she couldn't take another step and wanted to turn back. But her mom took her hand, her grip firm and reassuring. "The best views come after the hardest climbs," she said, her voice filled with encouragement. Inspired by her mom's words, Mia pushed on, one step at a time. When they finally reached the summit, she gasped. Below them, a crystal-clear lake shimmered in the sunlight, reflecting the sky like a perfect mirror. A wave of pride washed over her. She felt strong, capable, and alive. That day, she learned that perseverance wasn't just about reaching the top. It was about discovering the strength you have inside you. Their final destination was the beautiful and historic country of Italy. In the magical city of Venice, with its winding canals and singing gondoliers, Mia quickly learned to say ciao to everyone she met. She even got to help her dad steer a gondola. Well, she tried her best, anyway. The days in Italy were sweet, literally. They indulged in creamy, delicious gelato every single day, trying a new flavor each time. Evenings were spent watching the sunset paint the Venetian waters in stunning shades of orange and pink, a truly magical sight. It felt like the perfect end to their incredible journey. One evening, as they sat by a canal, her dad asked a thoughtful question. "What did you learn on this trip, Mia?" Mia paused, thinking back on all the amazing things she had seen and done. She remembered the sparkling Eiffel Tower, the challenging hike in Switzerland, and the taste of gelato in Venice. "I learned that the world is incredibly beautiful," she began slowly. "But it's even better when you get to explore it together as a family." Her parents' faces lit up with smiles, and they pulled her into a tight, warm hug. In that moment, surrounded by the beauty of Venice and the love of her family, Mia understood what travel was truly about. When they finally returned home, their bags were full of souvenirs, but their hearts were even fuller with memories. Mia opened her brand new travel journal, a gift from her parents at the start of the trip. On the first page, she carefully wrote down the most important lessons she had learned. It wasn't about the places she'd been, but about the journey itself. She wrote, "Adventure isn't just about going to faraway places, it's about discovering new things. It's learning along the way and sharing every single moment with the people you love." And as she closed the journal, she knew this was just the first of many adventures to come. This story reminds us of something so important. Traveling with family teaches us more than just geography or history. It's not just about ticking off landmarks on a map. It teaches courage, the courage to try something new, to face a challenge like a steep hike. It sparks curiosity, making us ask questions and wonder about the world around us. And most importantly, it deepens the bonds of love, creating shared memories that will be treasured for a lifetime. It shows us that the greatest adventures are the ones we share. So, what do you think? Has a family trip ever taught you an important life lesson? Maybe it was a small weekend getaway or a big journey across the world. Share your stories with us in the comments below. We would absolutely love to hear about your adventures and the special memories you've made with your loved ones. Your stories inspire us all to explore, to learn, and to connect. Thank you so much for joining us for this story today. We hope it brought a little bit of warmth and inspiration to your day. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next story. We have so many more adventures to share with you. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep sharing moments with the ones you love. Bye for now.